Hello and Tashtale. So we are here at the Senior Library of THS Mussoorie, where we have varieties of books with a total of 22,800 books. The library is opened from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on weekdays and 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. on weekends. Only the students of class 9 and above can come here and issue and return. So let's head inside. This is the library index where students issue and return their book. Each student have their own smart card with barcode on the front which contains the student's information, and at the back we have QRT code which contains the school information. Each books have a barcode inside so the students can issue and return by themselves and can see their own record on the monitor. Now, this is the periodical section where various magazines are present especially for the science section. Then we have our very own book hospital here where old books are repaired and new books are prepared. The motto of our library is reading, imagination, creativity and success. If you read, your imagination and creativity will increase and develop. And whichever field you work, you will surely get success. That's why start reading. All the books are classified on the basis of their respective subjects like social science, physics, chemistry, economics, history, and so on. Now we have Tibetan section where we have books on Tibetan history, Tibetan geography, Tibetan language, and Tibetan religion. Now this is the reference section where we have old books, latest encyclopedia, and dictionaries including lingual, bilingual, and trilingual.